thing looking good, bro. I gotta go ahead and get it cleaned up.
Yes, sir. Y'all see what's going on? This is what y'all should be worried about in WHD Academy. This is what I'm trying to teach you how to do right here.
And it ain't gonna be perfect because he didn't paint it on the car, you know what I'm saying? So he could blend. I don't be having him do all that blending and stuff. You feel me? wehustledaily.com monthly membership for as little as 30 cents to $1 a day. Join my academy if you're interested in learning how to properly inspect cars, learn all my tips and tricks, and learn the easiest and the fastest way to get your auction license, no matter what state you in and without having an actual car lot. And we also do monthly giveaways. The link is in the description below.
We Hustle Daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another one today. All right, so the van is done. We got the Infiniti right here. Let's go ahead and get right into it. You know what I'm saying? Just got done with the Infiniti. I'm about to take it to the car wash. Y'all already probably seen me take it to the car wash though, because I'm about to take it to the car wash after this, but I'm gonna make this the next video. So this is our next project here. Very easy project because the bumper is the only thing we need to change, thank the Lord. So, and I'm actually recording off my Samsung camera because my other camera's dead. And it's in there on the charger, so this is gonna be an easy fix. I was trying to see if I should do this right now. Well, you know what? Right now, let's get this stuff off the window, because the auction yard put all this stuff on the window. So let's get this stuff off the window. And what am I talking about? All this glue stuff right here. So they got all this little glue stuff. I know y'all can probably kind of see it from here. All this glue, sticky stuff. Let's start there. So let's start there. So we got to get all this stuff off. So this is a pearl in the paint right here. I can't wait to clean it up to see what it's looking like. Don't forget, we already cleaned the inside up. So I can't wait to see what this thing gonna be looking like. We're gonna run it through the car wash. We ain't gonna go to the super far car wash this time because these bumpers gonna be on there good, real good. So we got the good old lacquer thinner. Y'all know the deal and the drill, the good old lacquer thinner with a microfiber cloth. I learned my lesson with the microfiber cloths because last time I messed the car up. Not this car, but and this is all because they didn't know how to put the window up. Is stuff coming out? It's actually better if I put it on the towel, actually. Oh, we gotta go to freaking Walmart and get some more of this stuff here. Alright, y'all, that's pretty much all. Now we gotta get it off the window. Good stuff. Hold on, yo. Almost there. All right, I might as well do it right now since I'm out here, right? So. Wasn't gonna do it, but might as well do it. It's 2 bolts. We got 2 bolts. You know that. You know that. Let's see if I could let me try this stuff first. So we can go to the car wash. Out with the old, in with the new. Get everything done in one day, y'all. It should be a crime to work in this heat right here. I don't see how those construction workers and stuff do it, bruh. Shout out to y'all. Straight up. It's getting too hot out here, bro. Way too hot. left side on.
Or right side, whatever you want to say.
Let's get this side right here. Where the heck is my... Now, only thing I gotta do is attach the bottom, and then we're gonna go get it cleaned up. Oh, and attach the grill. There we go. Gotta love the easy stuff, man. Gotta love the easy stuff. Yeah. Yeah. good, man. Let me clean all this stuff up now, man. We good to go.
All right, y'all. I'm about to take this mud to get cleaned up, so I gotta move. This car, I might be going ahead and selling it to the girl. She actually called me yesterday again. What is that? Just a bug or something. She actually called me yesterday again about this, so we may be selling it to her. And also, a guy may want to come today, so I gotta see. She been asking me about this car for like through 2-3 weeks, honestly. So, but a guy may come today. It's like my neighbor's friend, you know what I'm saying? So we'll see what happens. So this car, bro, I gotta do the brakes on this car. I done bought the brakes, I done bought everything for this car, and still have not put the stuff on the car, bro. So brakes, oil change, I got literally all that stuff in the back. I need to go ahead and do this because I have not done it. So we're gonna go ahead and get this done one of these days. Well, it's feeling kind of all right outside, but I don't know if that's because it's still early. It's only 10 a.m. But we'll see though. So I'm gonna go ahead and move these cars around, and we gotta go get this freaking Infiniti cleaned up, baby. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just try this.
What's going on, Hustle Nation? Just want to tell you guys about this Auto A-Stat research tool that I use to find out what's the history on all these Copart and insurance auto auction cars. It gets to tell you the auctions, how many auctions it's been to, the mileage, if the car has been staged by a dealer, as you can see. So if you would like to use this research tool, make sure you click the link in the description below.
Yes, sir. Y'all see what's going on? This is what y'all should be worried about in WHD Academy. This is what I'm trying to teach you how to do right here. You feel me? We riding. That's that new Lexus right there. That's that GX 350. I need to clean this window. We got a man who trying to come to get the Benz, the convertible. So it's like, damn, I don't know if I want to sell it to the girl or do I want to sell it to dude who coming. So I'm gonna see. Man, if dude come, I'm gonna go ahead and sell it to him, even though this girl been asking me about this car for a long time. But you know, that's what y'all should be worried about. Y'all be worried about the wrong thing, bro. Come on, bro. whdacademy.com, man. Make sure y'all check in. $30, bro. I got y'all, man. Y'all can learn everything you need to learn. You feel me? Y'all can learn everything you want to learn. WHD Academy. You know what I'm saying? I ain't teaching you how to put the cars together. I'm teaching you how to goddamn buy the good car to where you don't need to put no money in it. You feel me? Mechanically, you know what I'm saying? I'll replace some parts for sure. But yeah, man. So I don't know. I'm gonna see what the dude say. I'm texting him right now. But man, if he want to come with that money, he got it right now. I'm gonna go on and give it to him. I'm gonna just tell the girl. I might tell the girl. I might make up something for the girl. Be like, hey man, shit, something. You feel me? Because if he want to buy it today, I'm gonna sell it to him today. But we'll see though. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna see y'all in a few, man. Go get this car washed. All right, y'all. Boy, about to get him something to eat. About to show y'all what this thing looking like. What we gonna get? I think we're gonna get some Wendy's up here, and then we gotta get it cleaned up. So I'm about to show y'all the full perspective of this joint. Pulling over right here. This car drives so good, bro. I'm just not gonna lie to y'all, and I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. Damn, I thought that was the line. I was about to say. Speaking of Walmart, we got a Walmart that's going out of business somewhere around here. I need to go get it. That freaking, I'm sorry, Wendy's, but hey, man, that ice, triple berry frozen, what you call it, is disgusting, bro. I'm not gonna lie. But man, this thing is all put together, man. I'm about to get me something to eat. Give me a second, man, so I can order this. But I'm gonna post this today. I had a guy who actually wanted to come out, like I told y'all. Did he ever hit me back? Bro, I don't like when people, they be like, okay, this, that, and the third, blah, blah. It's like they decide they want the car, and then they start asking hella more questions before they come out. Like, god damn. You made it seem like a minute ago you was all good and game. We agreed on the price, everything. As soon as you agree on the price, they be like, hey, does it this? Hey, does it that? Hey, does it this? Like, bro, god damn. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna post this today for sure. You know what I'm saying? We're about to get this thing cleaned up. We're gonna see how that paint match on that thing, see how good it match. Remember, he be painting stuff off the car, so sometimes it don't be, especially with these whites, you know what I'm saying? Blacks, silvers, what other color I done did? Black, silver, well, I guess some black, because that Pontiac, that Sakia had a metallic in it, I think. But let me get this food, man. I'm starving. I'm gonna see y'all in a minute so we can see what this thing looking like. Alright, let me show y'all what this thing looking like. By the way, your boy got the spicy nuggets, junior bacon cheeseburger, and the fries with the barbecue sauce and a drink. Show y'all what this thing looking like real quick outside, man, so y'all can see. Feel me? 133, 330 on the miles. So y'all can get the full perspective of what that thing looking like now, man. Straight from the auction block, man. wehustledaily.com, man. You want to learn how to do this. Long way from home right now. I actually used to go to this post office a lot in my old days. Ooh, that thing looking good, bro. I gotta go ahead and get it cleaned up. It ain't cleaned, y'all. It ain't cleaned up though. This one came out really good. It dried really good too. I can't wait to see what I think it's a car wash. Well, I'm gonna go in Copart first, because you know, riding in Copart, you're gonna get all this stuff back on your car. You're gonna get all of this stuff back on your car. Feel me? So we gonna get it washed up. That's what we gonna do. This mug, man, I used to have a brandy wine one of these. It was brandy wine. The color was brandy wine, like candy painted. Beautiful, man. I used to get so much compliments and stuff like that in this car. This car bring back memories, man, because I literally just had one of these not too long ago. Check out that metallic, that pearl, or whatever that is. It's pearl, I think. We're gonna clean it up so y'all can really see the pearl. But yep, man, I used to have one of these, bro. Well, I've had a couple of these, but I'm just saying I had one candy painted that I actually kept for a while. And I used to like it. These, they not fast enough, you know what I'm saying? They got a good growl to them, nice little speed, but they not fast enough for real, for real. And let's see how that color matched up. Well, again, we gotta see it matches up, but we're gonna get it washed up. It matches up, but you can definitely kind of see, like, you know, the difference for sure. You know what I'm saying? No denying. But we're gonna clean it up because it's super dirty. You know what I'm saying? We ain't did nothing but buy it off from the auction block and shoot, start riding. You know what I'm saying? See, it even got all this stuff because all that glue I had to get off there. But other than that, man, dirty birdie. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat my food. We got this AC blowing hella cold. I got the key in my pocket. Oh yeah. All right, man. So let me listen to my little podcast. My boy Organic, and yo, I forgot to tell y'all this. My bad. I was in the middle of eating my food, but I gotta tell y'all. So after he tell me, we still talking about the guy who want to buy the Mercedes. Hold on. So after he tell me, okay, I see the wheels on the Mercedes. So after he tell me, like, he want to get the car, right? He started asking me hella questions. So he like, yo, could you send me a video of the way it sounded? It sounded a little rough. I'm like, nah, it's a V8. It don't sound rough. We talking about the, damn, that car clean. We talking about the E550 Mercedes convertible. So I'm like, nah, it ain't nothing, you know what I'm saying? It don't run rough or whatever the case is. So he like, send him a video. I'm already gone, so I'm like, I can't see, video. So I just went and found a video of the one I had it on YouTube running when I was fixing the AC. I'm up under the hood. I got the camera up under the hood, literally. I sent him this video. He say, I can't really hear it. It sounds like it's an ambulance in the background. I'm like, I was starting to think like this.
either this is, I gotta look at the picture. This gotta be like an old man, or they trolling me. Like they just trying to be funny. You feel me? Because I'm like, I had to go back and look at the video that I sent them. I'm like, I'm listening. I got my ear next to the motherfucker. Like, ambulance. People is wild. The man said he heard an ambulance in the video. An ambulance? You hear the car running in the video. Like, he tweaking, bro. That's a nice house. But let me stop by the auction real quick, and then we're about to go get that thing washed up, man. All right, we finally done made it. Let me get my wallet real quick. I'm actually I came right back to the same car wash we came to yesterday. Still a little something sticky on it. Unless I didn't get it all. Yeah, I didn't. See it? Yeah, it's a little sticky along the edges. But yeah, man, I'm about to get this thing washed. So this is the last time y'all gonna see it like this. You feel me? I'm gonna get my stuff washed right here at the gas station. You feel me? So let me go in here real quick, pay for this. I'm gonna pay for the yesterday I paid for the $8 wash. I'm paying $10 today. That was funny. He was like, you know how to use it? I was like, yeah. He was talking about the car wash. He's like, you know how to use it? I'm like, yeah. He was like, I was like, yeah, I used it yesterday. And he was like, you wash your car daily? And I was like, nah, I just came back. I just came yesterday. And I ain't think about it. Like, he's asking me that because it's the same as he think it's the same car. So that, I thought that was funny. I was walking out the door. I had thought about it as I was walking out the door. I was like, oh no, look at that dog. I'm like, no, this is a different car, bro. It's a different car. So it's not $10, it was $12. So, boy, spend a little cash, man. Stop playing with me, bro. Right here.
Please select to wash by touching the corresponding button on the screen, or touch the Enter Code button to enter your code. Please enter your code by touching the corresponding button. Touch Enter when finished.
259084. 259084. I think that's it.
The code you entered is
2. Yeah. Oh. My bad.
Please, thank you. Please pull forward slowly.
All right, we're gonna see how this thing do here. And I actually like this little car wash right here too. It's like real convenient, like right here. Damn. Oh, I didn't do all this last time. See, I didn't do all that last time. I got the $12 joint. I wanted to look good. I'm gonna go right across the street and take my pictures. So I'm gonna see y'all in a second when this thing get done. Go and park on them. All right. Let's see what that $12 do. Let's see what that $12 do, man. Boom, boom. New Toyota. Boom, boom. Let's see what this $12 did. I'm gonna pull over there and take my pictures, though. Let me throw some of this stuff in the trash can right here. We can get a sneak peek real quick. Oh, I gotta throw stuff in the trash can and put stuff in the trunk. Color is off. Not too noticeable, but it's that white. Look just like the M37 that we did. Yeah. Sold all this spam talk. All right, so we're gonna throw this stuff in the car, in the trunk rather. That metallic though, metallic hitting, boy. That metallic is hitting. I'm trying to tell you. Metallic on that paint. I'll give y'all another I'll give y'all another view in 1 second. How the hell do I let this see? Oh, I see. Clear everything up so we can get this picture. So I'm about to go across the street actually. Let's go across the street first. So we can really see what's going on. Probably gonna be driving this, I ain't gonna lie. I gotta do the brakes. And I gotta do the I wish these had backup cameras. Man, they got a lot of G-Wagons. Going crazy over here. Yeah, I wish these had back cameras though. But they don't. I'm gonna go right across the street, take these pictures. The pictures came out pretty decent yesterday, so that's what we gonna do, gang. Feel me? Like I said, we a little bit over what I wanted to pay for this car. I keep forgetting how much I'm in this car. I gotta go back and do my math, but I think I'm like 33, something like that, maybe 34 even, probably. It's bad. At least it ride good, but that's too much. All right, we made it. Let's get these pictures, man. So y'all can get this full perspective real quick, man. Feel me? Yeah, I take my little pictures and stuff and everything. I had to put gas in this mug earlier. Cybertruck. Yes, sir. That was perfect. All right, so this will be looking like it actually didn't do too good of a job right here, bruh. Unless I did that. We gotta take some more lac at the end of that. But anyway. So this is what it's looking like. What y'all think? What you think? Again, it ain't gonna be perfect because he didn't paint it on the car, you know what I'm saying? So he could blend. I don't be having them do all that blending and stuff. You feel me? No, sir. Forget a blend. Unless it's like gonna be a more expensive car, then of course I would blend it. But it did all right. It did pretty good. It's just that other side. I think I did that when it's got some of that glue and stuff on there. Y'all see that metallic going crazy? Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Came out good though, if I say so myself. So I'm about to take some pictures of it real quick. You know what I'm saying? Y'all seen we got it cleaned up and everything. So see all of this. Oh yeah, that's that damn glue. If I had a towel, I would wipe it, but I ain't even. See? But all right, let me take my pictures real quick, y'all. Matter of fact, we're gonna call it a wrap for this video. You feel me? I appreciate y'all for tuning in and rocking with me, man. Make sure y'all tap in whdacademy.com. You feel me? You want to learn how to buy and sell cars. Learn the fastest, easiest way for you to get your license. Link in the description below. I got y'all. Y'all see what I did with this? Put it together quick, drive and everything. You feel me? But most importantly, I'm gonna teach y'all how y'all can be able to drive these cars home, man. You feel me? It's your boy Ray, big play right man.